What's up guys? Today's video is on the Apple iPad 9th Gen. Through extensive research and testing I've put this, which will meet the needs of buyers, so whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the product, I've included link in the description box down below which are updated for the best price. Like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Apple iPad 9th Gen powerfully affordable. Meet the Apple iPad 9th Gen, a sleek powerhouse with a brilliant 10.2-inch Retina display and a 13 Bionic chip. It strikes the perfect balance between affordability and performance, making it your ideal digital companion. Highlights: vibrant display. Enjoy a vivid visual experience on the 10.2-inch Retina display with True Tone technology. Smooth performance. The A13 Bionic chip ensures seamless multitasking and responsive graphics. Productivity boost. iPadOS, Apple Pencil compatibility, and fast Wi-Fi empower you to work and create on the go. Secure access. Unlock with ease using Touch ID for secure transactions and seamless access. Capture moments. Front and back cameras, including a 12MP ultra-wide front camera, make every shot count. Creativity unleashed. Enhance your creativity with Apple Pencil and Smart Keyboard compatibility. Conclusion: the Apple iPad 9th Gen redefines power and affordability, offering a seamless digital experience in a compact and stylish package. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.